Hello everyone, welcome to English with Teacher Aziz channel. How are you doing? I hope you are fine. Before starting our new lesson, please click on the subscribe button to get informed with new videos. In this lesson, we will study the present perfect continuous. Review of to have, examples, the rule, the affirmative form, the negative form, the interrogative form, the uses, and the adverbs of time. Let's start with the review of verb to have. Affirmative. I have, you have, he has, she has, it has, we have, you have, they have. The negative form. I haven't, you haven't, he hasn't, she hasn't, it hasn't, we haven't, you haven't, they haven't. Interrogative form. Have I, have you, has he, has she, has it, have we, have you, have they. Let's have a look at these examples. I have been reading this book since this morning. My mother has been cooking for 3 hours now. He has been watching TV since this morning. How long have you been painting? I have been painting for 3 hours. Analysis and discussion. Question. What is the rule of the present perfect continuous? The present perfect continuous is made up of subject plus have or has plus been plus verb plus ing. Affirmative form. I have been working. You have been working. He has been working. She has been working. It has been working. We have been working. You have been working. They have been working. The negative form. I haven't been working. You haven't been working. He hasn't been working. She hasn't been working. It hasn't been working. We haven't been working. You haven't been working. They haven't been working. The interrogative form. Have I been working? Have you been working? Has he been working? Has she been working? Has it been working? Have you been working? Have they been working? Question. When do we use the present perfect continuous? We use the present perfect continuous to say how long or for unfinished actions which started in the past and continue to the present. We usually use for and since in this case. Example, I have been living in Paris for 6 years. Two, for temporary habits or situations, the focus is on the duration of the action rather than the action. Example, I've been reading a lot recently. Three, actions which have recently stopped. Example, I'm so tired, I've been studying all day. The adverbs of time of the present perfect continuous. We use for to talk about a period of time, 5 hours, 3 months, 1 year, etc. We use since to talk about a point in past time, for example, since 7 o'clock, since October, since Monday. And the last one is all day, for example, I've been working all day. Thank you for your attention. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe to my channel. You can share my videos too. See you with another video.